of the ongoing efforts to provide the humanitarian relief for the people of Gaza Strip. Baitussalam Welfare Trust Pakistan is preparing the food parcels to provide them amongst its urgent intervention for the people whose houses have been destroyed or affected. To insert the happiness into the hearts of the people who have lost their houses during the aggression is one of the most noble goals of the charity work. And this is what Baitussalam Welfare Trust Pakistan is implementing in Gaza at this moment.